The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going.
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm just going to pause this really quickly. I know the video has just started, but if you follow me on Instagram, you might have recognised this look. I did create this back at Easter as part of my Easter series, but I wasn't able to get them up on YouTube, but I didn't want them to go to waste. So as I wasn't able to do any Pride looks this month as I was away, I thought I'd just squeeze these in at the end of the month, as this is a rainbow eye look, and I thought it would be kind of fitting being uploaded in Pride month, even if it is at the end of the month. So it may look a little strange as I have a camera in my flowers in my hair as well as an Easter egg, but I really like this look and I didn't want it to go to waste. Flowers in my hair and a rainbow eye, and I just think it's really cute. But if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching.
You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling?
This is the final look and I'm feeling very Lana Del Rey inspired. I'm liking this, it's cute. Let me know if you like this tutorial by pressing the thumbs up button down below and leaving me a comment. If you'd like to see more creative looks like this one, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you do not miss a single post. If you're not already, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I have over 33,000 of you on there, which makes me feel a certain way. I am just so grateful, so thank you if you support me on there as well as on here. But if you're not following me, my name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It'll be here on the screen, as well as being linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
I need to